Morning for you in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Got prices up a little bit. Started out lower overnight. Some tension in Washington between issues of our trade and maybe some tariffs. Also some issues on some of the other political things that are going on in Washington. Some of these tariffs could actually slow global and U.S. economy, which is making the U.S. dollar and making crude oil and making stock market very volatile. As far as the grains are concerned, still looking at some of the same features that we have for the last week or so. Down in Argentina, it looks like it's going to be dry for the next 10 to 14 days. That's not going to help the crops. There was hope on Friday there might be a rain next weekend, but it looks like less of a chance today. Here in the United States, we've got more moisture moving across the central part of the Midwest, but we will be watching pretty closely, especially in the southern plains. The American model has some rain at the 11 and 14 day time frame for Kansas and Nebraska. So it is the time of year in which we tend to see a pattern change, and so we'll see if that's going to help the wheat crop down there. We're also noting in Brazil that they're getting a little bit too much rain. That could be slowing the bean harvest and also could be offering some late planting of the corn crop and could lower their corn crop even more than what the USDA is saying. Finally, funds active buyers last week still short wheat, but they are long beans and corn and now a record amount of meal. So we want to see if we are approaching a top, plugging in all the information that we know as far as demand and South American crops are concerned, or if we continue to push above these levels of resistance. Finally, this week we get the USDA report, and the market's expecting them to lower South American corn production, lower Argentina soybean production, maybe raise Brazil soybean production, and we'll see how that impacts U.S. corn and soybean carryouts. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.